Hello,
Hi,
I'm Molly,
and I'm Natalie.
and we're making strawberry cupcakes with white chocolate strawberry frosting.
Yeah, and it's Earth Day today.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We were gonna go sunflower picking, and then we found out they close at 1.
Yeah, it's kind of stupid, but now we don't have anything else to do because we're stuck in the house, so we're gonna make cupcakes.
Yeah. Last time I made those, I didn't have all the things I needed, so I just made plain strawberry cupcakes with vanilla ice cream that I dyed pink.
I dyed it pink.
Ah, what?
That's what we're doing.
Yeah. We're going to put the cupcake liners in the cupcake tins.
Pans.
Pans.
Yeah, I guess.
Oh my god, it's so tiny. Shoot, 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 shoot. Yay.
Hey, I do when you do one.
We have pastel colors.
Next up.
Pour strawberries in the blender container and puree until smooth.
You want to do that?
Yeah, you're blending. I don't like blending.
Okay.
I think it looks good.
Okay, now wait. What's next, Molly?
Blend cake mix, strawberry puree, eggs, and oil in a large bowl.
Okay, put the mix in first.
I need scissors. Do you have scissors?
I can open it.
True. Alright, now I'm scared it's gonna pop.
It's not the best way to open it, but I opened it.
I think that's it.
Was that puree in? Yes.
Okay. It looks good.
I don't know. I'm scared that it's gonna be really liquidy.
It's fine.
Is it though?
Eggs. You
Okay.
can crack 2. Hey, I was gonna do that one.
Sucks to you. Then why do this?
Okay. We were putting in the eggs, and then we read the instructions again. And then we have to put the egg whites in, not the yolks and the egg whites. So we're taking those out.
Darn it.
It's okay. It's fine. Just put it in.
Okay.
That's cleared out.
Need help?
I got it, I think.
Can I towel, please?
Egg. Oh god, I'm horrible.
It's okay. Just let it go in.
Oh, I think I broke it. Oops. Technical issues. I'm horrible at breaking these. That's going out.
That's clear enough.
Oh.
Man, this
I am not good at dumping eggs.
That's okay. No worries. Ta-da!
That's it.
4 egg whites.
Oil, I think it was.
Did you see that? Magical towel came in. Okay. They should really put egg whites in there. What if I didn't read the instructions
We
correctly?
probably screw up.
And oil. How much oil, Mom?
I already did that much.
How much?
3.
3?
Yeah, 3.
1/3.
Yes, I did 1/3.
You just said 3.
Oh my god.
3 and 1/3 are completely different.
I know they are.
Now don't say it incorrectly.
Now we got
Okay, now you mix.
mix.
Beat at medium speed.
No,
For 2 minutes.
No. Large bowl at low speed until moistened.
That's moistened.
Oh, wait, okay.
Is that moistened? That's moistened. That's 2 minutes. I'm done.
Yeah.
It's 2 minutes when I say I'm done. Okay. What's next?
Divide batter evenly into baking cups.
So how's your day going, Molly?
Good. How's yours?
Took a nap. And he woke me up. Watched DuckTales. That was pretty boring.
Yeah. Boring. Would you rather watch the cartoons or DuckTales, honey?
I don't know. It depends on what mood I am on.
What if you're like in a good mood?
I'll probably watch DuckTales.
DuckTales. I have to scoot this out a little bit.
Like, my only problem is the fact that when
Ducks can
they're like Donald Duck. We can't understand a thing Donald Duck says.
until that last Shadow episode. That's just one.
And then they put and he stuck the thing in his throat.
Yeah, that's...
Yeah, we could understand him way better.
Oh my god. Like, why did he have to spit it out, first of all?
Well, because it kept electrocuted him.
Yeah, well, we could understand him.
Maybe they'll make a new one.
I'm done. 1/2?
So there's 2 sticks of butter right now. It equals 1 cup. And now we need 1.5 cups of powdered sugar.
This should be. My hand just looks like I've been in a flower crime scene. There's powdered sugar all over it. I'm the victim. No, I'm kidding.
Victim?
No, never mind. It was just thinking of
You be the culprit.
Flicker.
That's 2, right?
Yes, that's 2. 1 cup.
Maybe a half one?
Yes. Ooh.
What?
The reflection looks like a little flame. Look. Oh, it looks like a flame. See right here? Down with it.
Why isn't this working?
Because it's powdered sugar. Ooh.
There it goes.
Now we mix. We need the spatula.
Pour melted white chocolate morsel. Can we have the white chocolate?
We need that.
I want to do the jam. Jam's the
I
part
want
I've been looking forward to the most. For some weird reason. Where did I need that again?
Yeah, good for it.
You don't need to do that.
Ooh. White chocolate has appeared out of nowhere. Make sure it's
Hot.
hot.
Look.
Hot potato.
Oh my god. We magically have melted white chocolate.
chocolate.
That has been melting for the past couple
Who
hours.
knows? It's very thick.
Pour in melted white morsels.
Or white chocolate. White milk chocolate. Sorry. White stuff. Ooh. Oh god. Oh yes. It's gonna be awfully chocolatey. Okay. Yeah, where's that dark chocolate? Nice.
This is teamwork, Molly. Wait.
This looks like condensed milk a little bit. Just more thick.
Sure.
There you go.
Okay. Should I use the rest? Get the rest out? Why not? I melted this. I'll use every drop. That's good.
Okay, now what? Strawberry jam and salt.
Salt?
Salt, yes. There is your salt.
Then we do
Jam.
How much jam? 1/2 cup. Can I have the 1/2 cup, please?
It's a bit powdered sugar.
It's all going in the same place.
Ooh, that was a smooth one.
I know. Look at that. It's a lot of jam.
Ooh, that's good. A little bit more, maybe? Not that much.
Wait.
Why do you want to do the jam?
I don't know. I just like the jam part. Oof. Just plop. Anything else?
And mix until blended.
Okay, mix.
It's very
Thick? Liquidy?
No. I'm talking about the color. Spoon.
So we do half and we'll do a competition.
Cool.
Who pipes the most?
Oh my god.
Probably you.
Who? We need a spoon. So we can put it in the bag.
We can use this. This is covered in jam. Okay, we get to pick our tip.
I'm gonna pick my tip.
So actually we get to pick our tips.
How much do I have to cut off?
That's good.
Wait,
Do you
right
want
here?
this?
Right here?
Sure.
Right here?
Yeah. Do you want this weird one with like the little...
No, I'm not done that.
Ooh. I want the
I
whole
want
one.
this
I
one.
want... this one's weird.
Ooh, this would be
This one's cool. I'm not even the best at piping. I'm gonna do this one. Which one did you pick? I did this one.
Okay, cupcakes. Come here.
Says the girl who always turns up.
I know. We have our cupcakes. Lovely little things. Which one do I want? This one. Ew. One of them was just move the icing. There we go.
Should we get a plate? We just stick it back on there. It's cool. I'm not doing this right. Oh, I hate this stuff.
Here we go.
Gorgeous.
The frosting's a good color.
I like the color. A very pale petal pink. If we, let's say, that's fancy. Petal pink.
That should be an actual color.
I think it is.
Really? Search it up later.
Oh, we got frosting on this one. Okay, now we frost.
made a rose. Look.
I like your piping tip loads better than this one.
It's a rose.
Gorgeous.
Gonna try a cupcake.
Right now?
Where? Oh, this one.
This
No,
one.
no, not that one. And what? Oh shoot. That
Put
one.
it straight in the bowl. We'll clean it up later. Where? We'll cut it in half.
Ooh!
You wanna cut
Look how pink it is.
You want to cut it in half?
No, thank you.
You don't want to share?
No.
I can eat a whole one. Can I cut half and have it? Can I just have a bite? I'll have a small bite. Molly, give me it.
No.
I really don't want a whole one.
No. Fine. I thought we weren't supposed to share food.
Oops.
They're all special.
Ta-da!
That's it.
Now we clean up.
Phew!
Thank you for
Done.
watching.
Thank you.
Please like and subscribe and ring the bell for a notification when we post.
And free cupcakes.
Really?